All right, we're gonna give you the quick and dirty rundown on how to set up a WEN 13-inch planer. First, you open each side. Same thing over there. These are the parts that it comes with. Zoom in here. These are essentially the parts that it comes with. So we're gonna give you, just tell you really quickly how to start out. Come over here real quick. So we've already used this, so we're just gonna show you how to get started without all the bullshit. All right, so you can put, this is the roller. If you look here, it says up and down on it. So the first part you need to know is this and this. That's how you install the crank to move the blade up and down. You can see there's a little flat part. So you match that up with the flat part here. You install it. You take this screw with the Allen wrench they sent, screw it in, and there you go. Now you can move the blade up and down. So for starters, move it up, pull this crap out. You don't need this. Come around over here real quick. There are rollers on top. What those rollers are for is when you are planing material and you push it through, this allows you to roll it back and forth from one side to the other. All right, here's the on switch. This lets you know, obviously, how thick, how tall your material is. Now, this is the important part. You'll see a little arrow here, and there's a button under here. And you can see when you push that button, pushes this up. Well, what that is for is as you are planing material, you start the material right under this arrow. And as you go down, this will push up the material, and it will let you know you're taking a 32nd of an inch off, a 16th, 3/32, 1/8 of material, however much you want to take off. Once you set it so you can keep it consistent, so me, I like to do probably a 32nd of an inch each time. So, and it's not perfect, but it gives you a pretty good idea. Make sure that this is flat. So once you have it set at a 32nd of an inch, then you push and it starts pulling the material through. The other thing you need to know is this very strange looking piece. This is for your dust extraction. On the back side of the planer, this whole setup is a little bit, it looks awkward, but once you figure it out, you'll see a screw here. So this screw, when you get the machine, it's set in here. This screw is set in here. Won't put it all the way in for you. But all you do is you unscrew these. You take this, you line the holes up with it, and then you can use this for your dust extraction. So that, this here, you screw it in. Now your dust extractor is set up, it's ready. They also give you a nice little adapter for it right here. Oops. Give you an adapter for it so you can stick it on, stick it here. Whatever your vacuum is, you can plug it in here. You can put a bigger piece, you use tape, however you want to do it. You guys will figure it out. But that is sort of, again, that's the quick and dirty. You feed through here. It helps if you have somebody else on the other side. Also, we are using rollers. So if you're by yourself, you set up a roller here, you set up a roller on the other side, and then it allows you to feed this through the system. Again, as you start, figure out how much you want. And if you're doing multiple pieces for the same piece of furniture or whatever it is you're building, once you get the piece down to the size that you want it, you can then measure that piece using this guide. So you can go down and you can say, you know, it is however thick it is. So here it looks like we're about 2 1/4 or so. And then you know how thick you have to make each piece. So there you go. Any other thing we come up with, we'll let you know. There are also these 2 pieces that it comes with. They're magnets. Something to do with the removal of the blades. We haven't messed with it yet, but keep these because these are very important. But the instructions to use these are over here inside on top of the blades. Just haven't messed with it yet, but there you go. All right, that's it, man.